Before this build video, I want to remind you guys to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or join our Discord community. I also stream keyboard stuff on Twitch weekly at rain_CEH. Nyaho! Today we'll be modding a VortexSeries VX5, which is a local 60% from Indonesia. This is the same keyboard I use for my VX5 modding tutorial, so I've already applied band-aids to the PCB and added foam under the PCB. As for the keycaps, I'll be using the typing level 100 set from KeyKraft. First, I'll be disassembling the keyboard as usual, keycaps first, switches, then taking out the screws. As this is a removable switch keyboard, you can directly take off the switches from the keyboard using the switch puller. Some people also ask me why I did not put the band-aids on the plate but instead put them on the PCB. I would say it's because the VX5's stabilizers are already a pretty tight fit to the plate, so putting band-aid on the plate will just make it harder to take on and off the stabilizers when you want to mod them again. Okay, short explanation on what's going on here. I was experimenting by putting O-rings in the part of the case which holds up the PCB. I don't know if it'll work, but I'm pretty sure the O-rings could act as a sort of shock absorber for the PCB. For the stabilizers, I clipped them and also looped them with Krytox 205G0 and Permatex dielectric grease for the wire. I also did the mod where you put the band-aid inside the stem of the stabilizer. For the switches, I'll be using Outemu silvers lubed with Krytox 205G0 for the bottom housing and the stem, and Krytox GPL 105 for the springs. Ooh, okay. Compared to this one. This one is red switches, Lubed Krytox G205 and GPL 105. Krytox GPL 105. Same keyboard. It's just stabilizer mod. This one, I put band-aid inside the stem of stabilizer, and I put the O-rings between the PCB and the casing. Spacebar, really nice. This one still has rattle. Metal part, plastic part makes rattle, right? This one I've been band-aid between metal and plastic part become like this. This one mixed silver and red, right? Wait, let's try difference. Silver sounds better. Silver, here, let me try all the silvers. This is what the reds sound like. Yeah, silver sound better, I don't know why. They're supposed to be similar. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or join our Discord community. I also stream keyboard stuff on Twitch weekly at rain_ch. Thank you for watching the video and bye bye!